Hello guys, welcome to the 26th tutorial HTML. If you are new, is Gabriel, and in this video we are going to be answering some frequently asked questions in coding or in programming languages. And first of all, you can see on the screen what is HTML. To show the screen what is HTML. If you have followed me up or subscribed to my YouTube channel, you will see that the first tutorial was all about HTML, the meaning of HTML and all the rest. So please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, drop a comment and all the rest. We'll first start with what is HTML, which is HTML is a way of displaying information on a web page through a web browser. As you see on the screen, HTML is a way of displaying information on a web page through a web browser. After that, the second question, you will see what is the full meaning of HTML. Just subscribe to my YouTube channel. You will see in full details all these questions here. You will see in full details and understand more, and you will dive deeper on HTML or on these programming languages. Second, what is the full meaning of HTML, which is the hypertext markup language. You can see the hyper for the H, the text for the T, the markup for the M, and the language for the L. After that, how does a clause tag look like? Just subscribe to my YouTube channel, then you understand this. How does a clause tag look like? In my first tutorial I told you, or I taught you how a close tag look like and how an open tag look like. And a close tag starts with the two angle brackets, which I told you, the slash, which dictates or tells the browser that I want my tag to be closed. I want this element to be closed. When I add the element, I'm just going to be adding the body element. You can see how a close tag look like. You can see how a close tag look like. The two angle brackets, the slash, and the body element in between everything. After that, what is a server? I'm first going to demonstrate this to you before I explain. We shall move to my Google Chrome. Then I'll just type, let me say Z. Okay, I typed Z. You can see it showed out Zillow rentals, Zillow homes for rent. All these are being used by a server. A server is what allows our web page to just pop out when typing other like keywords or content that make our browser to pop out. Even the first letter of what we are talking about, the title of our web page, the first letter, just typing the first letter will make our web page pop out. That is what is being used by a server. That is what a server does for us. I will move to my code editor. This is a server is an internet provider that allows our web page to show. After that, you see another question: what is the difference between the bold and the strong tag? First, you just watch my videos. If you are following me up, you understand what is the difference between the bold tag and the strong tag. First of all, I'll tell you the meaning or the difference between the bold tag and the strong tag. The bold tag, I'll first write the code. which is the B. The bold tag tells the browser that the text should be thick. Then after that, the strong tag, which is the code. Okay. I'll just put the word in the tag. Okay. And the strong tag, which is alright. The meaning of the strong tag, I'm just going to do some copy and paste between the bold tag and the strong tag. Okay, I'll copy this. I'll paste. This bold tag tells the browser that the text should be thick. I'll change this to the strong. Change this. Okay. The strong tag tells the browser that the text should be thick, and also tells the browser that the text there is important. Text there is important. I'll just copy this. I'll change this to the I tag. Change this to the I tag. Change this to the emphasize tag. And change this to the emphasize tag too. Okay. Then I'll change this the italic this tells the browser that the text should be slant or bent. From the emphasized tells the browser that the text should be slant or bent, and also tells the browser that the text there is important. Now the other question is HTML a programming language or a markup language? I would rather say that HTML is a markup language. I will not say HTML is not a programming language. It's a programming language, but it's not actually a programming language. It's a markup language. That's why it stands for Hypertext Markup Language, which is markup language. After that, the last question, which is what is the code for adding a background color? If you have followed my video, you will see and you will know the code for adding a background color, which is the two angle brackets, the body style. We start with the body style, which is telling us that the body should be styled. Then we add the background color, which is this. You can see this apostrophe is telling us to insert the color, which is gold. Now, I think you know some FAQs questions on HTML and programming language. I'll see you in our next tutorial. Thank you.